The most used operating system in the world is Android. The least used mainstream OS is Linux on desktop. The most secure mainstream OS is iOS, closed system. The least secure by attack volume is Windows, targeted most by hackers. The fastest booting OS category is ChromeOS, lightweight. The slowest booting mainstream OS is older Windows versions, 7 XP. The OS with the most versions ever released is Linux, hundreds of distros. The OS with the least variants is macOS, single-controlled version. The OS that controls most of the internet servers is Linux. The OS that controls the fewest servers is Windows Home. The operating system with the longest support is Windows XP, over 17 years. The shortest support cycle is many Android versions, 2 to 3 years. The most customizable OS is Linux. The least customizable OS is iOS. The operating system used in space is Linux ISS systems. The least used OS in space is Windows. The OS with the most viruses created for it is Windows. The OS with the fewest viruses is Linux Unix-based systems. The smallest operating system kernel is MenuOS ~1.4 MB. The largest OS installation is Windows 11 20 plus GB. The most user-friendly OS of beginners is macOS. The least beginner-friendly OS is Arch Linux. The OS with the most piracy is Windows. The least pirated OS is macOS, hardware locked.